In this video, I will walk you through a detailed Glyco Reset Drops review by comparing the different buying options and supplement strategies you might encounter online. When looking at this specific blood support formula, the biggest contrast is often found in the bundle value versus the single bottle purchase. On marketplaces like eBay, you can find listings from established sellers like the Inner Beauty, who have moved over 300,000 items. For those committed to a long-term wellness routine, the 5-pack of Glyco Reset Premium Blood Support is a standout choice. It offers 10 ounces of product total, which is a significant step up if you want to avoid the trade-off of frequent reordering. While some users might be browsing for beauty-focused items like Bosley Healthy Hair Growth Supplements for women or Keranique scalp treatments, Glyco Reset is built specifically for internal metabolic balance. If you are comparing it to other health products, the primary feature here is the liquid delivery system, which may find more convenient than traditional pills or men's hair supplements. The 5-pack bundle is the clear winner for anyone looking for the best price per ounce on a genuine premium supply. Whether you are balancing your blood support or looking for a full health reset, picking the right quantity is the best way to ensure consistency in your results. I hope this side-by-side breakdown helps you decide which package fits your current health goals. If you found this review helpful, please make sure to give the video a like and subscribe for more supplement comparisons. Feel free to drop a comment below, sharing your own experience with these drops.